What is going on, all you awesome creative people? Wild here, and I just wanted to take a quick moment and say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Festivus for the rest of us, and of course, a Happy New Year. I want to wish you the best creative holiday I possibly can, and also wanted to take a moment to say I hope you have a safe and fun and secure holiday break. And I just want to say a very special thank you for making my life better, and hopefully I've had an impact on yours. You guys are so awesome, you don't even know. I've got a very special video coming up January 1st, 2022. I would appreciate it if you could take a look at it. And if you want to get me a last very moment Christmas gift, I would appreciate it if you could become a YouTube channel member down below for as little as $1. But just want to say, I hope you enjoy this time with your family, friends, and if you're alone, hey, it's okay. I'm here for you. Take a look at some of the videos over to my side because I'll be right there for you. But I got to get back to that eggnog because that alcohol is calling for me. I can't wait for it. Have a good one. Take care. And of course, oh my gosh, falling out of the chair. Happy holidays.